is Freedom by Jaybird, the evolution of wireless sound. To get started, open your Freedom box by releasing the magnetic seal and folding open the front cover right to left. Then peel back the sticker holding the dust cover in place. Now remove the dust cover, exposing the buds. Gently lift out the tray containing your new Freedom buds and charging clip. Underneath the foam tray, you'll find your low-profile Jaybird carry pouch, elegantly designed to safely and conveniently carry your buds and accessories anywhere your active life takes you. Open your carry pouch by simply compressing the two sides with your fingers. Your carry pouch is fashioned with flexibility to allow for quick, effortless access to your equipment on the go. Inside the pouch, you'll find your micro USB charging cable, 3 pairs of silicone ear fins, 3 pairs of silicone ear tips in sizes small, medium, and large, 3 pairs of Comply Premium Memory Foam Sport ear tips in small, medium, and large, 2 cord management clips, and a cord clip. With the foam tray removed from the box, your Freedom buds are ready to be removed from the tray and paired with any Bluetooth-enabled content device. Carefully remove the charging clip from the foam tray and place it in your carry pouch, keeping it handy for charging and extra battery power. Now that you've seen what's in the box, prepare yourself for a truly superior sound experience.